How to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can enable screen mirroring on your iPhone to display your screen on a smart TV or another compatible device. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna head over to your iPhone settings, and then you're gonna click on general, and once you do so, you're gonna scroll down and click on AirPlay and continuity. So once you do click on that, you'll notice an option that says automatically AirPlay. So you're gonna click on that, and here you're gonna either click on ask or you're gonna click on automatic. So it says iPhone can ask to AirPlay, or when able to automatically AirPlay, connect to nearby speakers and TVs when playing content from apps you regularly use with AirPlay. Then you're gonna open your control panel, and here you'll notice an option that will look something like this. So you're going to simply click on it, and if any of the device is actively searching for screen mirroring right now, you'll be able to see them listed over here, and then you're going to simply click on that device and you'll be able to screen mirror your iPhone screen to that device. So that is basically how you can turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.